Hey guys, you guys requested this makeup look on my Instagram and here it is. I hope you guys love it and I hope you guys are doing well. I know. So BRETMAN Rock and Wet n Wild came out with this bomb palette, you guys, that I've been loving and obsessed with. So I'm starting with filling myself and I'm applying it on the crease area just in swiping motions, but I'm applying it really gently. And then I'm going to apply the same color, but I'm going to put more pressure to this. So I'm going to apply it on the outer corners of my lid. I'm taking ape shit and just applying that on my bottom lash line to smoke it out. You guys know I need my bottom lash line smoked out. Then I'm grabbing Don't Be Lying and just patting that on my lid. I will soon upload my review for Wet n Wild. Then right here I'm applying a concealer and this one is by The Balm Cosmetics in Citrine. It's so pigmented and it just, I love this concealer, you guys, so much. After, I'm using the BRETMAN Rock Wet n Wild mascara. Of course, everything from here is going to be with BRETMAN Rock. So I've been loving this mascara, you guys. You guys gotta hear my review coming up soon. So for my bottom lash line, I'm applying this Milani Brow product just to brighten up that waterline, and the lashes that I'm using are with Jenny Rivera and Bibella Cosmetics. They're so freaking beautiful. So I will be putting down below the stars that I'm using for this. So I just basically apply lash glue and just wing this look out. Then I'm going to spray myself using the 3-in-1 face mist, and this one is the shade Down Me in the Jungle. It smells just like coconut. And then I'm applying the Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. I am obsessed with this foundation, you guys. I have a full review. You guys can just click on the video so you guys can watch it. I'm applying some contour and I forgot which contour I use. If I remember, I'll put it down below. So for my lips, I already have lip liner by Milani, a lipstick by Wet n Wild, and then I'm applying this lip gloss with BRETMAN Rock, and the one that I'm using is in Fearless, and the highlighter that I'm using is also from the same collection. And there you guys have this gorgeous look. I feel like it's really festival. I don't know, I just bohemian. I love this look so much, you guys. I hope you guys love it too, and if you guys try it out, make sure you guys tag me on Instagram. Send me your pictures. I really want to see. I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, and remember, stay safe, meditate, and don't discriminate. And remember to hit the subscribe button, also the notification bell, so you guys can be notified of my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.